Once upon a time, in a lush green pond, dwelled a tiny whirligig beetle named Whizzy. Unlike other beetles, Whizzy had a unique ability: he could see in two directions at once. One sunny morning, as Whizzy was busy cleaning his shell, he noticed a juicy worm wriggling on the water's surface. His left eye, gazing ahead, saw the worm, but his right eye, turned behind, spotted a hungry fish lurking nearby. Whizzy was puzzled. He couldn't decide whether to chase the worm or run away from the fish. The more he thought, the more confused he became. His friends noticed his distress and asked, "Why so troubled, Whizzy? You always seem so quick and decisive." Whizzy explained his predicament. "I see two paths, but I'm unsure which one to take. One leads to a feast, the other to safety." His friends pondered, and finally, the wise old water strider spoke. "Whizzy, remember, you have a gift, not a burden. Seeing two paths doesn't mean you must choose between them. It means you have the chance to choose the best." Inspired by the water strider's words, Whizzy realized that he didn't have to choose between the worm and the fish. He could wait and observe, choosing the best opportunity that arose. From that day on, Whizzy used his split vision not as a burden, but as a gift. He learned the value of patience and wisdom, and lived happily ever after, always choosing the path that led to the greatest good. And so, the story of Whizzy the Whirligig Beetle serves as a reminder that having multiple perspectives does not mean we must make difficult choices. Instead, it offers us the opportunity to make the best choices, leading us to greater wisdom and happiness.